I work at Elizaba, which is a design school, where I'm the head of the design engineering department. And there, additive manufacturing, it's one of the ways of prototyping, but also to create finalized products.
It connects bits to atoms. It connects the digital design process to manufacturing protocol that can establish also a new way of programming matter and introducing interaction and opportunities with product solutions that beforehand were completely impossible.
I'm a cyborg artist, so we use technology to design our perception of reality. So I put technology into my body to redesign my body, to redesign how I perceive the world.
In Numena, we are a 3D printing hub that is connected to WASP. That is a very well-known company that works and operates in additive manufacturing, producing machines that can print from small elements to large-scale buildings and construction.
We have used like different types of additive manufacturing. We have printed with standard 3D printing, with PLA, but also, as I said, with a more flexible filament called FilaFlex, to use the 3D printing not only like rigid materials, like rigid devices, more like to adapt them to the body and to the movement, because we have been developing some clothes for dancers, and it was required that this kind of clothes could be more flexible, so we relied on this kind of technology, much more flexible.
I mean, each production technology has its own challenges and limitations. I would say that with additive manufacturing, we don't need to produce in mass, and we can create geometries that are not possible with traditional technologies.
There are several advantages. For example, one important one is that you can design at your house, that you don't need, and you can control all the process, and also that you can do some efficient design. You can design it digitally and then control what you are printing, so you don't have so many cut-offs, so many waste, so it can be like more efficient work.
Additive manufacturing in industrial design is leveraging the shift between ideas, prototype and products, trying to bridge these three different stages in one unique protocol and one unique process that is winding all the different aspects of this creative environment. Industry from Needs to Solution is our home. We've been here since the beginning. We are partner of industry with a project that is called Reshape, and what we are trying to do is also to show not only machines and technologies, but also solutions, products that are coming from an environment of creativity that is strictly connected to design and making.
I think it's a place to meet, connect, but also get inspired.
As a fashion designer that moves between fashion and architecture, it's important because we experiment with materials to see what's important now.
I think it's important to be in events like this, to know what other people are doing, to get inspired and to share ideas and knowledge so we can create new things.
I see 3D printing merging, let's say, introducing multiple materials in the process of manufacturing. So for me, 3D printing, or for us, 3D printing is a medium to generate or provide physicality.
I think it would be more accessible for people. It would be not like now that it's like something exotic, or everyone asks you how can I get this, and it's not in the market. It would be more accessible for everyone. Everyone could have like this 3D printing, and also all the designs would be like more open source and could give the consumer the opportunity to design its own clothes and to not use so many waste of materials, because it would be like more the design you need, the design you create.
I think in 10 years it will be more, or hopefully it will be more normal that artists also use technology in their work and in their body. Not that people can apply technology in their body not for just medical reasons, but just to experiment reality.